Hello friends, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Super Bowl weekend and real Toyota enthusiasts, instead of watching the game, are installing what?
An exhaust cutout
Exhaust cutout.
for my 2010 Tacoma.
Yes, how many miles you have on that?
Oh, about 129,000.
And you decided it's ready to become better?
Yup.
All right, so the game is halfway through. Nobody cares. It's about Toyotas. This is a random video. This is new generation when people who work on their cars are using their phones as a light. I admire the sense of safety using the safety glasses, and this is the piece that it's supposed to make it louder at certain times and quieter at certain times. Can you believe it? Oh, that smell of the metal being cut. I cannot compare with them, obviously. Oh, here is Isaac. You guys know his forerunner.
We do the same thing that he's doing.
Yeah, but this is Taco of Noah's. Noah has this Tacoma. He put a lot of upgrades. One of them is this light here. How is it going?
Pretty good. Trying to
like
think how I'm gonna get up to the top because I don't have a long blade.
Yep, take your time. Be careful
Yep.
and safe.
That's the number one priority.
That's
Safety, not trying to cut off my
Oh, yeah.
finger.
Here's the doggy. Everybody's having fun, you baby boy. Yep, you baby boy. So sweet. I cannot pet you. I'm sorry. I'm holding a beer. I apologize. Let's go back to the car. Once again, I admire this pure enthusiasm here in the gravel parking lot. The guys are working hard. That's a true spirit.
Oh, that's a pain. Go.
You got it. You got it out.
Perfect.
Woo! What I'm talking about. Yep. That will be a good sound check if you fire it up with the completely exhaust. This chunk
Wait,
of
I'm gonna
exhaust
film this, hold
completely missing. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Step on it a little bit, Oh yeah. Is this Baja California sound?
Oh yeah.
The real
Yeah.
racing. Oh yeah. That's right.
Why don't we just do this to mine?
Oh, well, yours is next on chopping block, Isaac. Yep, yep.
Oh, buddy.
You need to buy this whole thing, and you are the next. With minimal tools, with minimal nothing, no lights. You guys make it happen here, and this is absolutely incredible. But where the electric connector will go? You have to wire it, or what's up with
Yeah,
that?
there's just a small box and
Okay.
a cigarette lighter that it will just pop into.
Okay, so it needs some electric switch on and off, right?
Yeah.
Makes sense. New exhaust, new improvements.